Jai Shri Ram. The total number of questions Arjuna asked Krishna is 64. 64 questions. Of course, some lineages say that it is 71 also. Okay, anyway, we'll take the 64 because traditionally that is accepted. Using the 64 question classical count, of course, numbering varies across traditions, but this is the most accepted stream 64 questions. Okay, chapter 1 Arjuna Vishada Yoga. Arjuna is asking, how can we kill our own people in battle? What joy can we get from victory stained with blood? Why should we commit this sin of destroying our clan? What will be the fate of families whose dharma collapses? Sankhya Yoga. First chapter, 4 questions. Sankhya Yoga, second chapter. I think 4 more questions. How can I fight Bhishma and Drona? What is better, victory or being slain by them? What is that calm wisdom you speak of? How does the Sthita Prajna sit, walk and speak? Karma Yoga, chapter 3, 2 questions. If knowledge is superior, why do you ask me to act? Number 10, what binds a man to wrongdoing? Chapter 4, 3 questions. Jnana Karma Sannyasa. You were born recently, Vivaswat long ago. How do I understand this teaching? What is the fate of one who sacrifices with knowledge? What is karma, akarma, vikarma? Okay, chapter 5, only one question. What is better, renunciation or action? Karma Sannyasa Yoga. Chapter 6, Dhyana Yoga, it's called. Of course, other names are all there. We will discuss that also later. 6th chapter, 3 questions. What happens to a yogi who falls from yoga brashta? And 16th question, does he perish like a rent cloud? And where does such a person go after death? 6th chapter, 3 questions. 7th chapter, 1 question. Why do the ignorant not worship you? Jnana Vijnana Yoga. And chapter 8, Akshara Parabrahma Yoga. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 questions. What is Brahman? What is Adhyatma? What is Karma? What is Adhibhuta? What is Adhidaiva? What is Adhiyagnya? How are you known at the time of departure from the body? Chapter 9, Raja Vidya Raja Guhyam. Arjuna listens silently. No questions. Number 10, 3 questions. Vibhuti Yoga. Tell me again in detail your divine glories. How shall I meditate on you? Which forms of yours should I remember? 11, Vishwarupa Sandarshana Yoga. 5 questions. How did you come to manifest this cosmic form? What is its purpose? Who are you in this blazing form? Why are these warriors being devoured? What should I do now? Number 12, Bhakti Yoga. Which devotees are dearer to you? Chapter 12, you see 2 questions. Who is the best yogi? The one who worships you personally or the one who worships the unmanifest? Number 13, 4 questions. Kshetra Kshetrajna. What is Prakriti and what is Purusha? What is Kshetra? What is Jnana? What is the knowable? Number 14, Gunatraya Vibhaga Yoga, 3 questions. What are the marks of one who has gone beyond the gunas? How does he rise above them? What is his conduct? 15th, Purushottama Yoga, Arjuna is absorbing, listening. Daivasura Sampad Vibhaga Yoga, no questions. 17th, Shraddhatraya Vibhaga Yoga, just 1. What happens to one who worships with faith but outside the scriptures? And 18th chapter, Moksha Sannyasa Yoga, I think he has asked the maximum questions. He is firing many questions depending on how one counts the compound queries. What is renunciation? What is sannyasa? What is tyaga? What is the nature of each? What binds a person to duty? What is the role of guna in determining action? What is the fate of one who knows but still resists? What is the highest duty? What is the essence of dharma? What happens after death to one who performs his duty imperfectly but sincerely? This is the total of 64 questions. Jai Shri Ram.